This is Varney, and Varney is a seasoned credit improvement professional and realtor. He's been able to close more leads, 6 times his investment, while doing 50% less work in the last 60 days with a 3-step system that I showed him. Now, this is Quentin, and Quentin was a brand new business, meaning he had no business name, no website, no clients, and he was able to make $10,000 within 5 weeks of launching his business using the same exact system. And the best part, you don't need any crazy tech skills. You don't need a fancy finance degree, and you don't need a huge social media following or be popular to make this happen. Lastly, you can do this from the comfort of your own home or gym clothes, even if you never started a business before. I will show you my proven systems, procedures, and templates to help you get results quickly as your very own credit repair business owner. If you would like more information, click the link associated with this video and it will take you to a page that looks just like this. And once you put in your information, you will receive the full details of my 12-week step-by-step live business program called the 30-Day Credit Repair Agency. Now, my name is Dominique Brown and I'm a credit repair business owner, and I've consistently earned 6 figures per month for the last 5 years running my own credit repair business from home. Let's be clear. This is not an MLM. This is not a franchise. This is your very own business. This business saved my life and has allowed me to not only have financial freedom, but time freedom. I went from having to commute 2 hours one way to a job, having a limit on my income, never traveling and missing family time, to a 1-minute commute to my home office, no income limit, traveling every 2 months, and most importantly, being able to spend time with my family, because when you have time freedom, anything is possible. And I want to teach you how to do this just like I taught hundreds of others in the last few years. So all you have to do is click the link associated with this video, and it will take you to a page where you can register to get the full details of my 30-day credit repair agency program. Remember, you don't need to have excellent credit to help others. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need to have a huge social media following or even be good at sales to make this happen. All you need is passion to change your current situation and the right systems and procedures to be a success in this business. I look forward to answering all your questions and helping you reach your goals. Talk to you soon.
My name is Ashley Chasen and I'm from London, England, currently residing in the Los Angeles area. And I'm the CEO of Second Chance Solutions. I graduated from Dominique Brown's 30-Day Credit Repair Agency. And before I was in the agency, I was working IT for a bunch of different clients, making an okay income. So I wanted a bit of a change. Since I've been through the program, I've gotten a little bit more flexibility, a bit more freedom with my time spent with my family. And I think that it's really, really made an improvement on my lifestyle, my time spent with my wife and my son. The one thing that's made me really happy about doing this agency, I would say, is the fact that I've been able to engage friends, family, associates, just kind of people around me who really lacked, maybe scores to really be able to impact themselves in the way that they wanted to. I'm a new homeowner, for example. So being a homeowner now, I'm actually in a position to where I can actually show people like, look, I was able to improve my credit situation, and I'm now in a position to actually impact others and show them how they can do the very same. So essentially, going through this agency program has made me a walking testimony. The reason why I picked Dominique Brown's Credit Repair Agency over anything else is because during my rebuild process, I actually went through Dominique's process. And he actually removed a bunch of stuff from my report. He actually helped me with the budget. So based off of actually being a client of his, I ended up went from client to mentee, for lack of a better term. If anyone's on the fence about joining the credit repair agency, I'm like, what are you waiting for? Just hop off the fence, do it now. If you want to continue trading your time for someone else's dream, then stay on the fence. But if you really want to be able to impact yourself and others and just live the life that you were born to live, then get off the fence and get on and go ahead and join the agency. The other thing I want to say is I love the fact that the program was it was broken down into such bite-sized pieces that literally anyone can do it. I didn't have to have any experience in this field. Just the passion to really want to help people was the one thing that I loved about it. So thanks again, Dom. You've actually really impacted my life in such a positive way, and I really appreciate it.